Jackson, Mississippi. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and your receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm device. Here's your forecast for the Jackson listening area. West of today, sunny.
And the time on this thing as well. I haven't set it yet. Just been busy. All of a sudden, it's 11 o'clock. So yeah. But here's the week 5 weekly test.